Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get unlimited mints in Plants vs. Zombies 2. To start, consistently engage in arena battles. Winning these matches is your primary source for earning mints and valuable seed packets. Strive to climb into higher leagues, as this significantly boosts your daily and end-of-season rewards. Also, make sure to complete all available daily quests and participate in special events. These often provide substantial bonus mints. Focus on achieving winning streaks in the arena for even greater mint payouts. Understanding power mint rotation is crucial for efficient mint management. These powerful plants become available for purchase and upgrades on a rotating schedule, so it is wise to save your mints for the ones you truly desire. Each new power mint typically costs 100 mints to unlock. Be aware that leveling up a power mint requires progressively more mints as it gains strength. Focus your resources on upgrading the power mints you use most often in your strategies. To truly maximize your mint earnings, employ strong plants and well-thought-out strategies in every arena battle. After exhausting your initial gauntlets, consider watching short advertisements to gain additional plays, allowing you to earn even more mints. Always take advantage of the 3 daily free arena plays. These are a consistent source of mints. Strive for a 10-win streak bonus, as this provides a substantial boost to your mint collection, helping you maintain a steady supply. For long-term success and a seemingly unlimited supply, practice smart mint management. Only spend your hard-earned mints on power mints that genuinely improve your overall gameplay and strategy. Resist the urge for impulsive purchases. Instead, plan your power mint upgrades thoughtfully. Consistent daily play is key to accumulating a substantial mint reserve over time. Maintaining a large mint balance ensures you are always ready to unlock and upgrade any new or returning power mints you desire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.